In Tainan's century-old Shenhe settlement, Tian Garden Residence stands quietly. Timber structure, lattice bricks, overhanging eaves, and walls trace the story of 4 generations, focused on hall memory and courtyard life. The new Tian Garden preserves the original axis and courtyard order, creating a harmonious integration between people and nature. The main hall facade, now in board-formed concrete, has a warmth to it, a quiet nod to the family memories it holds. Restored bricks and tiles bridge past and present. Breezes and sunlight drift through every doorway, illuminating every corner. Many areas allow indoor, semi-outdoor, and outdoor spaces to flow seamlessly. The bedroom window frames the courtyard, formed by the home's embrace. The courtyard links space and emotion at the heart of tradition. Wide windows erase indoor-outdoor boundaries. And use wooden span lifts the living room, giving the space warmth and a sense of scale. The warmth of the wood and the sunlight streaming through the high windows create a comfortable and calming atmosphere. Tian Garden Residence, a place where memories, emotions, and everyday life come together.